This is Hilton Zemi Miches, which is just getting ready to open in a little over a month. And how beautiful is this? That's okay, come right in. We are getting a video of the Club Azure 1-bedroom oceanfront suite. And how beautiful is this? Look at the decor. And there's a lot of touches from local artisans. Oh, looks like they're getting the hot tub ready out there. I'm gonna get a video first of the bedroom here. So nice square footage. And look at this tub. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the tile work. Fabulous. Walk-in shower, and look at these beautiful vanities. How pretty is this? Plenty of closet space, and then of course the toilet. Let me pan around this way. And we'll take a peek outside at this gorgeous view. Oh my gosh, and look what we have, a fresh coconut with the Shoreline Destinations. Oh, I love it. Thank you, gracias. So pretty. Thank you so much. What a nice surprise. And imagine sipping on your coconut water with this view right here. How beautiful is that? And oh, I'm gonna have to get a picture because look at that backdrop. So again, this is Zemi Miches, getting ready to open in just over a month, and it is looking spectacular.